Yes, I can help you recreate these spicy chicken wings. In a bowl, mix the chicken seasoning ingredients: salt, garlic powder, onion powder, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, sugar, and pepper. Toss the wings and let sit for 10 to 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, combine all marinade ingredients. Mix the marinade ingredients. Toss the wings until well coated. Cover and marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours, overnight for best flavor. Take wings out of the fridge 15 minutes before frying. Lightly dust with potato starch. Shake off excess. Fry wings for 4 to 5 minutes until lightly golden. Serve, drain on a rack or paper towel.